Got a WooCommerce store? Here's how to sell event tickets for cryptocurrency using Blockonomics. All you need is your WooCommerce and Blockonomics accounts. If you're new to Blockonomics, welcome aboard. We're a privacy-first crypto payment solution. We've got all the tools you need, and our support team is here for you 24/7. Now let's dive into the tutorial. All right, let's get started. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on the Plugins tab, and choose Add Plugin. Now search for Blockonomics, click Install Now, and then hit Activate. Go to the Blockonomics plugin settings. This will open up the setup wizard, and we're just going to follow the instructions as they appear. First up, we'll sign up on Blockonomics. Then, we're going to add a wallet. Clicking on the wallet step will take you straight to the Wallets tab in your Blockonomics account. Go ahead and add your Bitcoin and USDT wallets. For the final step, go back to the wizard and add your API key from the Stores tab on Blockonomics. Copy the API key and paste it into the field. Then click Continue. Give your store a name, click Continue, and there you go. Your store is created. Hit that Done button. This brings you back to the Blockonomics settings page, where you can configure additional options if you need to. Just refresh the Stores page in your account. You'll see your store show up automatically. Let's go ahead and enable the USDT wallet under payment methods for the store. Once enabled, make sure to click Update Store. Now head back to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, click on Add New, and search for the Eventin plugin. There you go, that's the Eventin plugin. Let's install and activate it. You'll now see the Eventin tab in the left sidebar. Go ahead and click on it, then select Events. We're going to quickly create a new event, so just follow along. Add the event details like the title, description, date, and time. You can also choose whether it's a recurring event and select the event location, online, virtual, or hybrid. Once you've filled in all the required information, go ahead and save it, then move on to the next step. Here's where we'll customize the ticket details. Set the price, and add relevant additional details. Once you're done, go ahead and save it, then move on to the next step. This is where you can add the event schedule information. Once you save and move to the next step, you'll have the option to edit advanced settings, such as the event page layout. When you're ready, go ahead and publish it. Next, head back to the Eventin tab, click on Settings, and then open Payments. From there, just toggle on the WooCommerce option. This will enable WooCommerce payments, and that means Blockonomics will now be available at checkout. And then save the changes. Now let's view the event and run a quick test transaction. Choose the number of tickets, then click Get Ticket, and let's go ahead and add the customer details. Next up, let's proceed to payment. Select Pay with Crypto and proceed to checkout. You'll be able to choose the coin. For this example, I'll show you how it works with Bitcoin. Go ahead and select it. You'll now see the QR code and the amount to be sent. Next, head over to your Blockonomics dashboard, open Logs or Testbench, select your store, and paste in the address and amount. Set the payment status to Confirmed, then send the test payment. And there you go. The transaction has gone through. You'll also see it reflected under Eventin bookings. That's how simple it is to start selling your event tickets for crypto. Thank you so much for watching.